So, good morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 12, that is pharmaceutical incompatibility. In pharmaceutical incompatibility, we will discuss first of all definition. It is defined as when two or more ingredients of prescription are mixed together. When you are combining one or two ingredients in your prescription or you are to formulate the dosage form, in that case there is a undesirable change that may take place in the physical, chemical or therapeutic properties of medicament is termed as a incompatibility. When you are preparing the drug, you are combining the two or more ingredients, it leads to there is a physical change, that is color, odor has been changed. There is a chemical change. It was found that there is a oxidation reduction reaction take place, and one more incompatibility was found. There is a therapeutic property. It means that if you are giving the drugs to reduce the fever and it shows the action to reduce the headache, it means that there is a therapeutic property will be altered, and this is the called as a pharmaceutical incompatibility. The objective of this chapter to understand the basic of pharmaceutical incompatibility, to understand what are the basic pharmaceutical incompatibility that we have to learn in this chapter. To know various types of pharmaceutical incompatibility, reason and remedies to eliminate them with example. What are the various types of incompatibility was occur in during the pharmaceutical dosage form? What are the reasons they are come, and what are the remedies to overcome the incompatibility problem? These are the objective of your chapter. Then introduction. In introduction, people take a drug to improve the person condition which may not work in manner intended. If you are taking the drugs for the reduce your disease condition, but it is not happen with your dosage form, that is the because of incompatibility. Drugs are essentially poison when the dose is taken is not suitable due to the variety of reason. Because of incompatibility reason, there is a unstable form. If you are taken by the person or taken by the human being, leads to the act as a poison. It means that there is a show the killing effect to your patient. Therefore, it is important to know the symptoms that indicate a drug is doing its job properly or not. Therefore, to importance of to know whether it is working properly or not. Incompatibility is an undesirable reason that occur between the drugs and drugs container or another drug or drug excipient. When it is incompatibility occur during, there is it may be the because of drug to drug interaction, drug to container interaction or drug to excipient interaction leads to the formation of incompatibility. Then we will discuss classification of incompatibility. There are three basic classes of drug incompatibility. There is a first is physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, and third is therapeutic incompatibility. Reason of incompatibility. What are the reasons the incompatibility will be occur? There is a reason. First of all, we will discuss physical incompatibility. Why physical incompatibility will be occur? Insolubility of prescribed drug in vehicle. When we are preparing or formulating the soluble product, it is not soluble in your vehicle. It means that there is a it was found that or observed that physical incompatibility. Immiscibility of two or more liquid. When we are formulating the liquid preparation, it has the immiscibility problem. It means had no formation of your homogeneous mixture that leads to the immiscibility of physical incompatibility. Precipitation due to change in solvent that result in decreased solubility. If you are combining the two drugs or drug plus liquid leads to the precipitation. Precipitation means there is a formation of solid and leads to there is a decrease in solubility. It means that there is no formation of your homogeneous liquid. Liquefaction of solid mixed in dry state. When you are mixing the two solid particles, it leads to there is a formation of liquid. Because of there is a decrease in melting point, leads to the no formation of your powder formulation or solid drug formulation. Cementization of insoluble ingredient in liquid mixture. When we are preparing or combining two mixture or two liquid leads to there is a formation of cement-like structure. It means that there is a hard cap was found. It means that there is a physical incompatibility. Then chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be occur because of evolution of your color, reduction of exclusive reaction. There is a reduction oxidation reaction was take place during the formulation of your preparation. There is a precipitation due to the chemical reaction. Because of precipitation may be occur because of the chemical reaction will be takes place. Then third is therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility, inactivation of sulfur drug by propylene hydrochloride. When you are prescribing or when you are combining the sulfur drug plus propylene hydrochloride, it means what? It was found that there is a decrease or inactivate the activity of your sulfur drug. So this is the irrational combination. Overdose or underdose. If you are prescribing drugs is maximum time, maximum amount, it was the no more than maximum amount, it means that there is a overdose. Or if you are taking the drugs under the recommended dose, that is called as a underdose. If you have the recommended dose is 500 mg and you are taking the 750 milligram of dose, it means that there is a overdose. Or if you are taking the recommended dose is 500 and you are taking the 250 mg dose, it means that it is a underdose. Then we discuss physical incompatibility. A physical incompatibility involves interaction between two or more substances which leads to change in color, odor, taste, viscosity and morphology. What are the changes observed? It observed that there is a change in color, change in odor, or change in taste, change in viscosity, change in morphology. It means that it comes under the category of physical incompatibility. It may cause the unsightly, non-uniform product from which removal of accurate dose is very difficult. If physical incompatibility was found, uniformity dose will not be achieved. It is difficult to achieve the uniformity dose or accurate dose. Ingredients such as oil and water and substances that is the insoluble in prescribed vehicle are primary example of incompatibility. When we are combining the oil plus water, it means that there is a formation of incompatibility because it has no property to mix each other, to not form a homogeneous mixture. They are immiscible to each other. Then example of incompatibility. In example of physical incompatibility, there is a insolubility. Insolubility means there is a no formation of your homogeneous liquid. It means that there is a insolubility. Insolubility occurs because of the change in pH, milling, surfactant, chemical reaction, complex formation and co-solvent are the factors that affect the solubility of prescribed agent in vehicle and may render it less solubility. By altering the pH, milling, surfactant, chemical reaction, complex formation leads to the decrease in your solubility because it has a formation of complex with your metal ion or it gets reduced your solubility. Pharmacist should protect the medicine against this factor. If you want to pharmacist to increase this problem, pharmacist what should they have do? If mucilage of acacia, if the mucilage of acacia and alcohol are put together, mucilage of acacia and alcohol are put together, the preparation appear to be a disagreeable due to the precipitation of acacia by alcohol. There is a formation of disagreeable complex. It is the disagreeable, it is not the suitable for the patient. For these types of incompatibility can be overcome because of their no solubility was achieved. In order to avoid such incompatibility, acacia left out with produce a nice preparation. You have to don't add the acacia in your alcohol leads to the nice preparation. In liquid preparation containing a diffusible solid produce, it settle quickly. Form uniform dust cannot be poured out. If has a property of liquid preparation containing diffusible solid, it has a movement of your ion or solid from higher concentration to lower concentration is high, and that leads to the formation of your cake, and this will be not be pour out, or drug should be not be your accurate dose. Example, calamine and zinc oxide lotion. When we are preparing the calamine plus zinc oxide lotion, this was the found the incompatibility. Remedy for this to add thickening agents such as a gum acacia, tragacan, methyl cellulose, etc. When we are adding the tragacan, acacia in this preparation, it leads to the increase the viscosity and reduce the rate of settling of particle. There is an increase in viscosity, reduce the rate of sedimentation, and leads to the achieve the good product. Then next is precipitation. There is a precipitation of mucilaginous and aluminous substances or some metallic salt form aqueous solution upon addition of alcohol takes place. When we are adding the mucilaginous or aluminous substances or metallic salt in aqueous solution leads to there is a precipitation. When are combining mucilaginous aluminous substances plus metallic salt plus your aqueous solution plus your alcohol leads to the precipitation. Example, precipitation of camphor in water, camphor water occur when metallic salt are added. Here is when you are going to adding the camphor plus camphor water plus your metallic salt leads to the precipitation. Then one more example we discuss, phenyl salicylate and acetyl salicylic acid are incompatible when mixed together and produce either a wet mass or liquid. When you are combining the phenyl salicylate and acetyl salicylic acid leads to the formation of your wet mass or liquid, or if you want to prepare the solid dosage form. Thus, phenyl salicylate may be dispensed in separate capsule. For overcome or you want to formulate such a combination, in that case, you have to dispense or prescribe the phenyl salicylate in separate capsule formulation. Separation of immiscible liquid. Oil dissolved in alcohol usually separate on addition of your water. When you are combining oil plus water and addition of your oil plus alcohol and you are adding the water in that, there is a formation of separate layer. It means that there is a cracking or breaking was observed. In preparation of castor oil emulsion, the oil is not soluble in water, hence gum acacia added to prepare the stable emulsion. As you know that when you are preparing the emulsion, you are going adding the emulsifying agent. That means it form a monomolecular, multimolecular and solid layer over to your globule, and because of this reason they are stable emulsion you can be formulate. Spirit of ethyl nitrate separate and float as a layer when the substantial proportion of potassium citrate is present in prescription. When your prescription containing the ethyl nitrate and along with your potassium citrate present, it leads to the present in your prescription leads to the separation of immiscible liquid was found. Oil soluble vitamin A, D are solubilized by polysorbate non-ionic surfactant. If you want to prepare such a oil soluble vitamin A, D, that can be when we are overcome the problem of immiscibility by addition of non-ionic surfactant. Then liquefaction of solid ingredient. This is the most cases turn the formation of eutectic mixture in which the fusing point of mixed ingredient is lower more than that of any single one and also lower the room temperature. While combining with your solid formulation to solid formulation, there is a decrease in melting point leads to the formation of liquid preparation. If the methanol and thymol are required to be dispensed as a powder. If you want to prepare the powder formulation by combining methanol plus thymol, what happens with this combination? They are triturated in water to form a liquid mixture. While trituration, the decrease in your melting point leads to the formation of liquid. The liquid is triturated with enough adsorbent. Powder example is light kaolin or light magnesium carbonate to give a free flowing product. But such a liquid formulation problem you can be overcome by addition of your adsorbent, that is light kaolin or light magnesium carbonate leads to the formulate the powder dosage form. This is the little bit information about your physical incompatibility. Thank you.